A place to plug in should be more than just a cord. It should look right, beautifully designed, and it should offer powerful function in a slim profile. Introducing the NuDock Power Station Lamp from MyTag. Instant charging for your iPhone, Apple Watch and backup battery at the same time. A lamp for anywhere. Touch brighter, touch dimmer. A USB port for charging any USB device. Non-slip rubber base keeps it firmly in place. Time to head out. But what if you need a charge midday? Use our portable backup battery, NuKey. When battery is low, you have what you need. Release the NuKey, plug it in and get the power to keep going. It can charge up with your computer or use the NuKey portable docking station. Don't worry, you won't lose your NuKey. Use the MyTag app for locating it. Works both ways. Keep track of your iPhone and Apple Watch. Okay, time for a pic. Prop your phone. Now snap with the NuKey. Set the sleep timer to give you your last light. Something this neat should be admired, just a little. The NuDock Power Station Lamp by MyTag.